Everyone. Welcome to Teaching and Learning Hub. Today I am going to deliver lecture on phrasal verbs. Definition. The definition. Phrasal verbs are the combination of verb and a preposition or adverb. So what are phrasal verbs? The combination of a verb and a preposition or adverb. When prepositions are linked to the verbs, they change the meaning of the verbs. Let me explain it to you types. The types of the phrasal verb are: number 1 is transitive, number 2 is intransitive. Let me explain it to you. Transitive. Transitive phrasal verb needs an object to be used. It cannot come alone without the object. I made up excuse about the assignment. I is a subject, made up is a phrasal verb, and excuse is the object. If I say I made up, nothing is clear to the listener or the reader that what I made up. So I made up excuse about the assignment. Ayan will look into the matter. If I say Ayan will look into, nothing is clear to anybody that where Ayan will look into. So Ayan will look into the matter. Intransitive are: the phrasal verb needs no object when used in sentences. It means the phrasal verb stand with the subject and there is no need of the object. For example, my bike broke down. I wake up early. Now, what is the structure of the phrasal verb? Let me explain it to you. I told you the definition that it is a combination of verb and preposition or verb and adverb. Now, there are three structures of the phrasal verb. Number 1, word followed by adverb. Word here means the verb. Verb which is followed by adverb, it means verb plus adverb. That is the first structure for phrasal verb. The second is word plus preposition. The third one is verb plus adverb plus preposition. Let me explain it to you. The first category of verb with adverb. Look is a verb, up is adverb. If we combine it, it will become look up. The meaning is search for something. I looked up for my wallet. So I looked up for my wallet. I have searched my wallet. Put off means postpone. Turn down means refuse. Get up means wake up. Call off means cancel. Take off means remove. And cheer up means feel happy. This is the first category, the first structure we are doing, that is verb plus adverb. Now here up, off, down, these all are the examples of adverbs. And look, put, turn, get, call, take, cheer, these are the examples of verb. So we have combined. When we have combined, the meaning is totally changed. Number second category is verb plus preposition. If we combine verbs with the prepositions, what will we get? Faith is a verb, N is a preposition. Faith in. It means we believe in. Talk about, discuss. Put away. It means to put something back. Keep on. It means to continue. Look into. It means to discover the facts about something. Here, faith, talk, put, keep, look, these are the verbs. In, about, away, on, into is the prepositions. Number third category is verb plus preposition plus adverb or verb plus adverb plus preposition. So, put is a verb, up is a adverb, and with is a preposition. It will become put up with. I put up with him. I am tolerating him. The meaning of put up with is to tolerate. Okay, come up with to produce something. Face up to deal with directly. Look up to have a great deal or respect for someone. Now you can see here put, come, face, look is a verb. Up is the adverb, with and to is the preposition. So combination of these three is a phrasal verb. Let we start an activity which you can conduct with your students related to the phrasal verb. I thought it is important to discuss here that guess the meaning of the phrasal verb. Flashcards with the help of the pictures. So you will show them. For example, the first picture, I am showing it. There is a fridge and it is empty, and the person is shocked to see. It means run out. So guess the meaning of run out. Number second picture is they all are holding the hands and they all are stand by. So what does it mean? That they all are together. So guess the meaning. Third one is the guests are going and the family is standing and they see off them. So what is the meaning of see off? So someone is stopping the fire and what he is doing, he is put out. This is a phrasal verb. So what is the meaning of phrasal verb with the help of the picture? Number fifth is show up. There is a magician and a wand, magical wand. So when he use the magical wand, what happened? Something comes up. So what is the meaning of show up? Okay, there's a girl, she is putting on lipstick. So what is the meaning of put on? You will tell your students. Then run is the verb, out is the preposition. So it is the combination of verb plus preposition, verb plus adverb, verb plus adverb plus preposition, and they can guess the meaning. That would be a very good activity for your student. The meanings are: number one, not have enough of something or shortage of something. Number two, stand by means support. Number three, see off means say goodbye. Put out means to stop a fire. And other one was put something on your body. And the sixth one is appear. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.